Hello, this is Sister Straub, and I am calling to remind all of our ministers' wives and licensed lady ministers 40 and under about the special meeting we have planned just for you. We call it Clarity, and it's designed for young women in ministry. This Saturday, August 20th at 10 a.m. and ending at 3 p.m., we will be meeting in the Hospitality Center on the Indiana campgrounds, and a lunch will be served. Sister Ashley Leppo from Chicago, Illinois, a young licensed minister herself, will be our speaker. She is an anointed worship leader as well as gifted speaker. Sister Leppo will also be speaking at General Conference this year in Indianapolis. You won't want to miss this impacting meeting with your peers. The registration is free, so we hope you will register today at inupci.org. I'm looking forward to seeing you precious ladies this Saturday at Clarity, and may God bless each of you.
To opt out of receiving future messages from this group, go to onecallnow.com and select Opt Out at the bottom of the page.